That's a nice little red there, Richard.
It is.
The nice white top.
This last weekend we got to see a nice old Ford truck. We had family reunion and my younger cousin took my grandpa's 1967 F-250 and restored it. Two-wheel drive, and he's got it back to the baby blue with the white grill and all that. So it was kind of neat for the family picnic on that side.
What's that at, Richard?
Downtown Footbridge at Brimmer Park.
Oh, at the park. Let's see. Now, if you're wondering, folks, we got 2 left in this class, and we got 3 classes left. We got about 20 books left, so I know it's getting late, but I'll tell you what, you're getting the best bang for your buck.